I've been beat down and broken. You ain't winning to say the least. Fill my body with pain. All it does is release the beast. I've been swinging and swinging. Fuck with the dog, it's off the leash. You're about all this barking, and I'm about causing defeat. To the other one, my enemies, my lungs fill up with heat. Adrenaline, I'm better than the ones that I just beat. I stand above the weaker ones, so relentless towards a king. I took a break, now I'm swinging at you with swollen gums and broken forward in my life regardless. Through all the struggles I've lived and all these disappointments I withheld. I'm trying to make my family proud, hear me screaming loud. Black sheep of the family watches, I might take a bow. And I'm not designated my own destruction. Lightning bolts as I'm striking obstructions, cooking up 2-piece McNuggets. I'm like an undertaker, send you to your death. I find my way through life that there ain't nothing left. Respect isn't given, it's earned. Energetic, I burst, telling my life is a curse. Man, I make the best from the worst. This pressure make diamonds, and diamonds come from the dirt. So what am I worried about? A champion's journey is burned within the soul of himself. My fucking goal is the belt through all this pain.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a couple parts in for the OBS gasser. Gonna do a little bit of tuning up on it, fix that exhaust leak because that'll drive me nuts, and then change out the air filter. The old one's pretty crusty. A couple things like that, so stay tuned. So here's all the new packages for the OBS gasser. Got some exhaust stuff, some suspension stuff, air cleaner. We'll get to unboxing those in just a second. So there you have it. Got some helper springs for the rear. Our complete exhaust system, white pipe included. We've got our intake, tip, turbine, a leveling kit, and all the exhaust brackets. So after hearing that, you can definitely understand why they got to redo the exhaust. Definitely leaks. I didn't even think any of it makes it to the back two tailpipes. So we're going to get those changed out. Okay, so we're looking at the exhaust system currently on it. And of course there's that big ugly thing there. We've got the factory Y pipe going up both sides there. Up in here. And then once we start getting down here, it starts getting really interesting. Because as I was saying earlier, I don't think it was making it all the way out. And I was correct. So we've got some issues with this exhaust. Now, parts of it not connected. Lots of holes. There's some more. And I think it's been a couple years that it's been falling apart. And this is the driver's side. I don't know where the rest of it went, but it's obviously not under here. Well, so here's what's left of the original exhaust. As you can see, it's kind of missing a few pieces. So from there over to here. Disappeared somewhere in transit over the years, and a little bit of a chunk there. But that's the old exhaust system pulled out, so we'll get the new one in next. Well, we got the exhaust all installed, and I wasn't real happy with the hangers that came with the kit. So we're gonna go ahead and join AJ over at Shell Rapid Lube and have him weld in some nicer hangers, something that's gonna hold up over time. And then we might do a little something different with the way that exhaust exits.
Champion's journey is burned within the soul of himself. My fucking goal is the belt. Through all this pain that I dealt, I never turned on myself. I kept it real through the realm. A picture of you on my shelf to see what it's all worth in the end. And I've been through hell and I don't quit. I just stand up and keep fighting on. And as I wrap my wounds, I'm like a burner turn the fire on. And I've been beat down and broken. You ain't winning to say the least. Fill my body with pain. All it does is release the beast. I've been swinging and swinging. Fuck with the dog, it's off the leash. You're about all this barking, and I'm about causing defeat. To the other one, my enemies, my lungs fill up with heat. Adrenaline, I'm better than the ones that I just beat. I stand above the weaker ones, no relentless towards a king. I took a break, now I'm swinging at you with swollen gums and broken.
Well, there you have it. Exhaust is all completed. Sounds good. I definitely like changing that up to the axle dump versus the side exit. Turned out pretty nice. So stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna get on the suspension work, and got a lot of good things going on there. A lot of new parts for that too. If you like this video, make sure to smash that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah. So watch me step out in the ring of roses. All these lights are feeling like I'm chosen. Look at all these faces that believe in me. I'm kinda shocked at what they see in me. I got the spirit of a fighter. Heart resembles a lion. You either fight or you dying. I got the spirit of a fighter.